Hello everyone, today we are going to create a frame-by-frame animation inside of Adobe Animate CC. We will create an eye blinking animation inside of Animate CC and we will draw a basic head and eye. So if you want to learn Adobe Animate CC, go my YouTube channel and watch Animate tutorials. In addition, if you subscribe my YouTube channel and like this wonderful video, I will be very happy. Thank you in advance. Alright, I don't want to waste your time. Let's jump into the Adobe Animate CC. Okay, we are in Adobe Animate CC. Perfect. I have this layer 1. I want to create second layer. And this, let's name it head, this one. And this one as eye blinking. Okay, perfect. Let's draw the head. Select the head layer and the keyframe. Let's draw the head. Okay, perfect. Let's make a hair here. Alright, grab the paint bucket tool and let's select the color black and click here. So we have this hair. Alright, perfect. Now again, alright, I want to draw nose and mouth, so grab the brush tool and let's zoom. Again, grab the brush tool. Let's draw the nose here. Alright, perfect. You can delete some parts that you don't want. Alright, again, grab the brush tool. Let's draw the mouth. Let's draw the mouth. Alright, perfect. I want to choose this one, the nose, and change the location a little bit. Alright, perfect. Let's name this one as well, mouth and nose. Alright, good. Let's again go to the eye blinking layer. Let's make eye blinking animation. First of all, let's draw the eye. And the second one should be here. Alright, good. Go 15 frame and press F5 for creating frames. Alright, perfect. We have just 15 frames animation. Alright, good. Now go here and click edit multiple frames and again open the onion skin so that when we draw eye blinking shape we can see the previous and the next eye blinking. So for instance, let's go here and I want to add blank keyframe. Press F7 on the keyboard. Alright, good. But first of all, I want to draw here first keyframe iris here. Alright, good. And come here again. Let's make the eye blinking shape. Something similar to that. Okay, perfect. So we can see previous and next keyframe. You can change, you can drag the left handle and right handle so that you can see the keyframes. Alright, good. Come here and go last keyframe. Copy this keyframe, Ctrl Alt C, and here Ctrl Alt V. So the last keyframe and the first keyframe will be same keyframe. Alright, perfect. Okay, let's go here. First of all, this blinking should be here and put and drag it here and go back a little bit like 2 frames and press F7 on the keyboard. Open edit multiple frames so that we can see onion skin. As you see, this is the last, I mean the next keyframe, and this one is the first keyframe. Okay, I want to decrease the eye size, so let's draw something like this, and for other eye as well. Okay, let's don't forget the iris. Okay, good. So we have this animation. Let's press enter, preview. Okay, excellent. And again, lastly, when eye blinking happens, we want to see this keyframe as well. Therefore, Ctrl Alt C, copy this keyframe and Ctrl Alt V paste this keyframe. So let's see the animation. As you see, we have a nice eye blinking animation. Let's increase the duration by holding Shift, select all the frames and press F5 on the keyboard so that we can extend the timeline. Okay, let's preview again. As you see, we have a nice blinking animation inside of Adobe Animate CC. Just creating basic shapes. If you want, you can increase the duration between keyframes. So I select this area and press F5 on the keyboard, F5 and F5. So let's make similar things for layers for head and mouth and nose. Let's see the animation. Yeah, as you see, you can play around with the duration between keyframes, with the shapes you draw on the keyframes, and it depends on what you want. As you see everyone, we did really great animation, an eye blinking animation inside of Adobe Animate CC. Actually, we did a frame by frame animation and we used graphic tablet for drawing the head and eye. I am looking forward to see your comments on the comment section below, and if you want to learn other technique inside of Adobe Animate CC, please drop your questions and requests on the comment section below. I will read your questions and take into account your recommendations. Alright, until next tutorial, take care.